Okay, let's start by looking at the echo command. We actually used this in our previous lesson to get the shell. So here we see I'm running bash. It turns out I can use echo to display anything I want to the terminal. There goes foo. There goes bar. Baz. Maybe I'd like to echo a phrase. Very cool. So echo is going to take whatever I pass it. These are called parameters. Parameters. Whatever you give the command is a parameter. And it's going to echo that param back to the console or back to my standard out. All right, now this in itself is somewhat useful, but we get to explore the power of it when we combine it with other operators such as the redirection operator. The redirection operator is simply a greater than. What it says is whatever's on my left side, put it in my right side. So if I say echo Monday, and on the right side I put my file.txt, notice there was no output to the console or my standard out. But if I do a ls, we'll see it created a file called myfile.txt. Let's see what's in myfile.txt. Hey, Monday. Okay, that works. Can we try that again? What if I want to do echo Tuesday into myfile.txt? Cool. Now it says Tuesday. The problem is, though, I lost Monday when I did this. So maybe we can find a way to add or append data to my file instead of overwrite. So the greater than redirect operator overwrites what was already there. If I do two greater thans, that's append or add to the end. So let's jump to Friday now. Friday. What would you expect to be in the file? If you said Tuesday, Friday, you're correct. Let's do another one. What if I append Saturday? Now what would you expect to be in the file? Tuesday, Friday, Saturday. So two greater thans adds or appends, one greater than overwrites. Do you notice every time I look at the file I have to use something called VI, which is an editor. It's called the visual editor, which we'll look at later. It would be nice if we had a more convenient way to examine the contents of a file, and it turns out we do. I can use a command called cat, which is short for concatenate, to look inside of a file. There we go. Same thing I got when I VI'd the file. Now, let's do one more example. What if I want to echo Sunday into my file? All right, if I cap this file, what will the output be? If you said Sunday, you are correct, because it's one greater than, so it overwrites the whole file. Let's do one more fun command here. What if I append Saturday and append Friday, and let's append Saturday again? Cat that file. And I've got Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Saturday. We saw how I used cat to display the contents in the file. What happens if I do a tac? How about that? The contents came out backwards. So it turns out that tac is just cat backwards, and tac will display the file backwards. I don't know why you'd use this, but Be creative. I'm sure you can figure out why. Lastly, my screen is getting kind of full. What if I want to clear the screen? And now I can start back at the top.